Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is July 18th, 2019, and this is one of the little cauliflowers that came off of the main plant. So this is where the original cauliflower head was. We cut the cauliflower head off up pretty high, and we just left the plants in. And as you can see over here, it did start producing another cauliflower head. Now these normally do not get as large as the first center cauliflower head would, but as you can see, it did produce another one. Now it doesn't always do this, but usually we can get second and third cauliflower heads off. Sometimes it will give 4. It just kind of depends on how long the season is. So I just wanted to give you this quick update video. And I don't see any more forming right now, but I did do a video on how we harvest our cauliflower, and I showed in the video how we cut the main heads off, and I was talking about why we don't pull the plants out and why we let them in. And this is just one of the little side shoots that it did put off. Okay, here's another one over here starting. This is on another plant, and that should produce another head there. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells me I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!